know you're probably wondering what this big sign means. Now let me tell you, HSTEP stands for the Huron Science, Technology, and Engineering program here at Huron High School.
PLTW is basically just the engineering program. I think it's a lot of fun and it definitely gives you an idea of what actually being an engineer would look like.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Marciona.
And I'm Mr. C.
And we're your Project Lead the Way instructors.
Project Lead the Way is a set curriculum where students design solutions to real-world problems.
So if you're interested in building stuff, designing stuff, learning about technology and how the world works, or engineering, if you want to think about engineering as a career, you should take the engineering classes at Huron.
Come join us in Yoda.
This is our lounge, which gives engineers a break. This is our upstairs IED engineering or computer lab. This is our downstairs computer lab, mostly for POE and Aero students. This is our VEX room. This is our design lab, equipped with 3D printers and laser engravers. It's Marciona!
So in IED, we learn about different CAD softwares and how to use them, such as this is Fusion 360. It's made by Autodesk. And in this, you can see that I made a version of this car. And what we measured out all the pieces and we had to make different sketches and extrude it and just play with it in order to bring it to this final product. I like this class because it's not like you don't just sit around doing tests or like repeating information. You learn it by yourself and you go play with things, and that's great.
Engineering, we learn a lot of math-based stuff, so that helps us apply it to actual engineering. Some examples are stress analysis, solving trusses, simple machines, and how to solve them.
In Principles of Engineering, we go through lots of topics in different engineering classes. So we look at stress analysis, we look at simple machines and the way they interact with different components.
There it is.
Same.
Okay. Just put them on.
There you go, let's just see.
Aerospace engineering, we study the magic behind why planes fly.
Aerospace is a lot of prep work, but it's also a lot of hands-on creating things. It's really satisfying to see your glider or rocket come to life. Also, making bad parachutes is fun as well. So that said, sometimes you just have to wing it.
In EDD, which is the capstone class for all the PLTW courses, you get to choose your own project, you design it, you construct a couple prototypes, and then you show it off a couple places. And your teachers give you critiques, your friends help you out with it, and it's just a really great experience. My experience with EDD has been amazing. I feel like it's really a class where I can explore my independent nature, especially about to go off to college, and where you can just understand what you know about working in groups, what you know about obviously actually making things. And one of my favorite experiences is when our project finally worked. It's just such a feeling of satisfaction and success to know something that was completely of your own design and of your own work is like genuinely doing something right.
So for our EDD project, we started with the real-world problem of traffic and how we could deal with that, or of just delivering sandwiches to college students across campus. And we met with someone who was actually in the industry of drones, and he gave us a lot of really good advice and places to start. And so we eventually came to our final product of a drone that can deliver sandwiches.
So here we have a 3D printer, and right now what it's doing is it's printing medals for our end of the year Expo. Our end of the year Expo is a place where students get an opportunity to compete against each other and be judged based on what they build themselves and design themselves. During the Expo, we usually have a project that we'll work on prior to it, and the Expo is basically us presenting our project and what we've worked on for the past month or so.
I take the engineering classes at Huron because it's a fun and interactive environment that challenges you both mathematically and academically, as well as making you find creative solutions to all sorts of problems.
Hi, I'm Patrick Tibbetts. One great reason to take Project Lead the Way classes is to understand and apply your math and science skills in the real world.
So I take engineering classes at this school because it incorporates math and science in a way that I find interesting, and it's fun to learn hands-on, or with my hands. And that's like the learning style that I appreciate and use in all my classes, and I like that it incorporates two of my favorite subjects together, math and science.